All right, this is a young filly. We've worked with her in a few episodes, and doing the clinics, when I'm teaching quite a bit, I wind up having to sit around. And she's kind of busy-minded horse a lot of times, so she kind of got to playing with the bit and getting her tongue over it. And in my preparation for the bridle, I really want to nip that in the bud as soon as possible. It's the first horse that I've had get their tongue over it, but when I was riding colts, I had a few. And the best method I've seen is the string's really easy to find. About any bale of hay has it. And I like to tie that bit up in their mouth so that they can feasibly still get their tongue over it, but it makes it more difficult. And she's had the string on, I don't know, 5 or 6 rides now, and it seems to be helping. I'll leave it on quite a while until she kind of gets done playing with the bit there. So when I go to tie this, I want to just run it around the mouthpiece off to the side so I got room to tie it. And she may get a little busy, and then I'm going to tie a bowline knot. So I make a 9, I go down through the 9, back to me, around and back up through the hole.